Welcome to the Ectoparasite series of lecture part 4. In part 4, we will be discussing about bedbugs and ticks. In the next few slides, we will be talking about bedbugs. There is only one type of bedbug that will be discussed here, which is the Cimex lectularis. This is a picture of the bedbug. As you can see, it's got a sharp mouthpiece. Bedbugs can be found anywhere in the world. Normally, it is associated with poor living environment, but it has also been found in any 5-star hotels. The bedbugs are commonly found in crevices or folds of furniture, mattresses, and clothes. The bedbug is furnished or has piercing mouth parts and stinging glands. The adults and the nymph feed at night, and they feed on human blood. A patient may present to you with multiple painless bites. So the signs and symptoms are painless erythematous rash. How do you diagnose bedbugs? Of course, you need to take a good history, look at the rash patterns, and perhaps if you can identify or see any of the bugs on the beddings or furniture. More often than not, there is a very musty odor in the room. Treatment for bedbugs bite are topical antiseptic cream or topical or oral antihistamines. How do you control bed bugs? Ensure good hygiene of the room, the bedding, and the furniture. This is where you can find bed bugs at crevices or folds of the sofa. This is bed bugs walking at the folds or on the folds of the mattress, and this is bed bugs as well at folds of mattresses. This is how bed bugs look like, and this is how it's small and it can be found on the human skin. This is the general life cycle of the bed bug. This is the adult, the egg, and this is the nymph development of the bed bug. From the first stage of the nymph all the way to the adult, at all stages of development, the bed bug requires a blood meal in order to grow. This is the bite pattern of the bed bug. What you see here are red rashes which are painless. In the next few slides, we'll be talking about ticks. There are two types of ticks. One is the soft tick, which is called the argoside, and the second one is the hard tick called the exodite. In this slide, you will see the diagram of the soft tick and the hard tick. The soft tick comes from the order Agassidae, and the hard tick comes from the order of the Exodidae. Now, the difference between a soft tick and a hard tick is just because that the hard tick has something what is called as a scrotum. So the hard tick has a scrotum which is very similar to an exoskeleton, versus a soft tick does not have the scrotum, so its body is soft. What is significant about these ticks, whether they are the soft tick or the hard ticks? Some of these ticks are vectors to some bacteria. Different ticks are vectors to different types of bacteria. An example, a soft tick, an argoside type of soft tick, can harbor or is a vector for the bacteria Borrelia dutoni, and this infestation or this infection can cause a tick-borne relaxing fever. For the hard tick, the ixodite tick, the dog tick can harbor this bacteria and it can result in tularemia. Other bacteria can be found as well in the hard tick, and this bacteria can result in spotted fever. Here you can see the picture of a soft tick, the Ornithoderus species, which is a vector for the bacteria Borrelia burgdorferi, giving rise to relapsing fever. Here you see a picture of the hard tick. An example of a hard tick is the dog tick, which can harbor a bacteria, and the infection of that bacteria can result in tularemia. With this marks the end of your Ectoparasites lecture series. I've hoped you've learned something, and you may revise your lecture and then proceed to the quizzes. Thank you.